We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for business. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website on your desktop and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up for one. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT section where you can start using it for your business needs. ChatGPT can help with things like drafting emails, creating content, or answering customer inquiries. To get started, think about the task you want to accomplish. For instance, if you want to draft an email, type a prompt such as draft a professional email to a client about a new product launch. ChatGPT will generate a response based on your prompt. You can tweak the prompt if you want a different tone or additional details. It's important to be clear with your prompts to get the best results. If you're using it for customer support, consider setting up a series of prompts that cover common questions. Your customers might ask this way. ChatGPT can help you quickly respond to inquiries to manage and organize your tasks. You might want to use the API to integrate ChatGPT into your existing business tools, like your CRM or project management software. This can streamline your workflows and make it easier to access the AI's capabilities within the tools you already use. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool that can enhance your productivity, but it's important to review the outputs to ensure they meet your business standards. You can also explore more advanced features and customization options in the settings menu to tailor ChatGPT to better fit your business needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.